Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you double integrals. Let us solve few problems on double integrals so that the idea behind how to evaluate double integrals will be clear to you. So, the question is evaluate integration 1 to 2, integration 0 to 3y, y dx dy. Now solution. Integration 1 to 2, 0 to 3y, y dx dy. So here we have to integrate first this is square bracketed expression. So this is equals to integration 1 to 2. Now integration of dx is x, y is here constant, the limit is from 0 to 3y dy. So we have integrated this expression with respect to dx, y constant, integration of dx is x. Now the limit of the integration is here from 0 to 3y. So this is equals to integration from 1 to 2 y upper integral value 3y minus x is 0 dy, which is equals to integration 1 to 2 3y square dy. Here 3 is a constant. Integration 1 to 2 y square dy. This is 3. Integration of y square with respect to y is y cube by 3. The limiting value is 1 to 2. This is 3 cancel, y cube 1 to 2. The integral value is from 1 to 2. This is 2 cube minus 1 cube. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 answer. So this is a very plain question. Evaluation of a double integral. This is my first class. Here we have to evaluate integration from 1 to 2 with respect to y, integration from 0 to 3y with respect to dx, y, dx, dy. Now let us evaluate first with respect to dx. Integral value is from 0 to 3y. Now y is constant, integration of x is dx is x. The value is integral value is 0 to 3y. Now putting upper value 3y minus lower value 0. After simplification we get 3. Integration from 1 to 2y square dy. This is 3 y cube by 3 because integration of y square with respect to dy is y cube by 3. 3 cancel. This is the upper limit 2 cube minus 1 cube, which is equals to 8 minus 1, that is 7. So our first question is solved. Let us proceed to solve the next question. Our second question is evaluate double integration over r 2x plus 3y dx dy over r, where x ranges from 0 to 1, y ranges from 0 to 2. Now solution. Double integration over r 2x plus 3y dx dy. This is equals to integration from 0 to 2, integration from 0 to 1, 2x 3y dx dy. So let us first evaluate this square bracket expression, that means integration with respect to dx. So this is equals to again 0 to 2. Here the integration of 2x with respect to dx, it is 2x square by 2. This will be 3yx. The limiting value is from 0 to 1 dy. Now this is equals to integration 0 to 2 x square 3xy 0 to 1 dy. Now putting the limiting value, it will be 1 plus 3y minus 0 plus 0 dy. So first we have taken x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 0. So this is 0 to 2, 1 plus 3y dy. Now this is y after integration, 3y square by 2, 0 to 2. This is 2, 3 by 2 into 2 square, 4 minus 0 plus 0. This is 2, 3 into 2, 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Answer. So here we have to evaluate double integration over r 2x plus 3y dx dy, where x ranges from 0 to 1 and y ranges from 0 to 2. So this is given here. Now using the values of x from 0 to 1 in the inner integral and 0 to 2 in external. Now using these values we get this expression. Now the inner integral value is 2 x square by 2 3yx. The limiting value is from 0 to 1. Now after simplification, putting the values of limiting values of x, we get this expression, integration 0 to 2, 1 plus 3y dy. Now after integrating with respect to y and putting the values, we get it is 8. So our second question is solved. Let us proceed to solve the third question. Our third question is evaluate integration 0 to 2, integration 0 to x e to the power x plus y dy dx. Now we have to solve this equation. So this is equal to 0 to 2 integration from 0 to x. This is e to the power x, e to the power y dy dx. So let us integrate first this bracket expression. So this is integration from 0 to 2. Here e to the power x is the constant because we have to integrate with respect to y. So integration of e to the power y is e to the power y, 0 to x, then this is dx. So this value is equal to 0 to 2 e to the power x. Putting the limiting value, we get like this, e to the power x minus e to the power 0 dx. This is equals to integration 0 to 2 e to the power x into e to the power x minus 1 dx, because e to the power 0 is in 1. So this is integration from 0 to 2, e to the power 2x minus e to the power x dx. Now integrating, this is e to the power 2x by 2 minus e to the power x, limiting value is 0 to 2. So e to the power 4 by 2 minus e to the power 2 minus e to the power 0 by 2 minus e to the power 0. This is e to the power 4 by 2 minus e square minus 1 by 2 plus 1. This is equal to e to the power 4 by 2 minus e square plus half answer. So here we have to integrate integration 0 to 2, integration 0 to x e to the power x y dx dy. First of all, we take the inner integral as this bracketed expression in which we have to integrate with respect to y, taking e to the power x a constant. Now putting the limiting value, after simplification we get this expression, integrating with respect to x and putting the values after simplification, we get e to the power 4 by 2 minus e square plus half. With this, the topic for today class is completed. I shall meet with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.